The Ridgeline is one of the best mid-size trucks, offering practicality rather than pretense and lots of livability as an everyday vehicle. The Honda Ridgeline sidesteps the trends towards gigantism and ever-more-steroidal off-road variants in the pickup truck segment. Instead, it offers capability and versatility in a usefully sized package. The ride and handling are more car-like than trucky, making it more comfortable than other pickups. It may not project the rugged image of its body-on-frame rivals, but the Ridgeline is far more livable and plenty practical. The Ridgeline's lone powertrain is a 280 HP 3.5-liter V6 that makes 262 pound-feet of torque and hooks up to a 9-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. The engine feels smooth and responsive to your right foot, especially when you call for hard acceleration. The Ridgeline's interior is tops in its class in terms of practicality and comfort. As with most other mid-size pickups, however, the Honda's cabin uses plenty of hard plastics, and the design is unremarkable. Rear seat passengers will enjoy the most space of all mid-size rivals. Fold-down armrests on both front seats are a welcome addition, especially since the center console sits low between them. The Honda pickup has only one bed length, 5.3 feet, which lines up with competitors' short beds and has the second lowest volume at 34 cubic feet. Every Ridgeline comes standard with a 9.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system, although it retains a physical volume knob. The Ridgeline also comes standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as wireless charging. The Trail Sport and Black Edition include built-in navigation. The maximum towing capacity for the 2024 Honda Ridgeline is 5,000 pounds. That doesn't make it the mid-size pickup you want if towing more than 2.5 tons is high on your list of must-haves. This 5,000 pound maximum is between 2,000 and 2,500 pounds less than rivals such as the Chevy Colorado and Ford Ranger.